What's up, gamers? Welcome back to Quiz Universe. We're here to level up your day with a brand new challenge. Guess the game by Emoji. We've packed this video with 15 fun puzzles, and you'll have just 10 seconds to answer each one. Think you've got what it takes? Let's find out. Oh, and heads up, we're also doing a special giveaway and giving shout-outs to some lucky viewers who shared their thoughts on our videos. Want to see your name in the lights? Drop a comment below, smash that subscribe button, and let's roll. First challenge. Can you recognize this game? Roblox, the game that took over the internet. Next up, what's the name of this game? Boom! Plants vs. Zombies. Can you guess this one? Angry Birds, those poor pigs. What about these emojis? Fruit Ninja. Don't try this at home, folks. Recognize this blocky icon? Minecraft. Build anything, even a dirt mansion. Spot the odd Minecraft logo in this crowd. Got it. Right here. What game is hiding in these emojis? My talking Tom. Say hi to that chatty little feline. Do you know this classic game? Tetris? Those blocks aren't gonna stack themselves. Guess the game from these sweet emojis. Candy Crush, Saga, can't stop, won't stop. Which game is this? Dragon City. Raise your dragon army. What do these emojis hint at? Subway Surfers, run like you just skipped gym class. Your turn. Never play games again, or tell us your favorite game in the comments. Next puzzle. Fall Guys. It's like dodgeball, but cuter. What about this one? Rainbow Friends. Last one. Can you nail it? Call of Duty. Time to squad up. How did you do, champs? Share your score in the comments, and I might shout you out in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting challenges. Until next time, stay awesome and game on!